I'm Gabriel Hernandez, and my experiment I will be determining whether a plant grows better hydrophonically or in soil. For this experiment, my materials are a plastic bottle, plant nutrients, some seeds, pots, potting soil, paper towels, and some tap water. We're also going to need something to write down our results in, and I'm writing them down in a journal. In this experiment, my dependent variable is the amount of soil that each one is getting. One will be planted hydrophonically, which is just in water, and the other one will be planted using soil. My independent variable for this is the amount of sunlight and nutrients that each one will receive. They'll be placed on the same spot, receive the same amount of nutrients and sunlight. My hypothesis for this experiment is that the plants will grow better hydrophonically than in soil, mostly because hydrophonically, the plants will receive the nutrients directly through the roots instead of it having to be absorbed through the soil and then towards the plant. The first procedure to this experiment is having to sprout the seeds, which I will now demonstrate using the paper towels, the water, and the seeds. To start off, we're going to take our paper towel, fold it in half, in fourths, and then one more time. After we're done folding it, we're going to open it up and place at least 2 seeds in it. And we're going to fold it back up. We're going to repeat this procedure one more time with 2 other seeds. Fold the paper towel in half, in fourths, and then one more time. And we're going to open it up and place 2 seeds in it. And after we're done folding it up, we're going to get our squirt bottle and we're going to spray each one at least 3 times. After we've done that, we're going to place them in the sunlight and watch them grow. Right now, I have placed them in the windowsill where they will receive sunlight, and I will water them every day until they sprout. For the next few days, we're going to be watering them with this spray bottle. Eventually, they will sprout, and we will start the experiment. After about 2 weeks of watering, these are what sprouted from the seeds. Now we're going to take one of them and place it in soil, and we're going to place the other one in the hydroponic system. The next procedure to this experiment, we're going to be making a hydroponic watering system out of this plastic water bottle. We're going to need a box cutter, and we got to be really careful with this part. We're going to take the bottle, put it on its side. We're going to cut about half, a little bit more than half of it. After we finish cutting the bottle in half, we'll put that aside and we'll get 2 containers filled with water. Then we're going to grab our plant nutrients, and in each container we're going to place about a teaspoon worth of nutrients in each bottle. After that, we're just going to shake it up a little bit, and then in our plastic bottle we're going to fill it with the plant nutrients and the water. We're going to get the top half. We got to make sure we take off the bottle cap. And we're going to place it upside down. And now we have a hydroponic watering system. After we made our hydroponic watering system, we're going to take the seed that sprouted and a cotton ball. We're going to spread out the cotton ball, and in the middle between the leaf and the roots we're going to place the cotton ball. After we've done that, we're going to place it inside so that the roots are touching the water but not the leaves. The next part, we're going to take a little pot filled with potting soil. We're going to dig a little hole in the middle. Then we're going to take our little sproutling. We're going to place it in the hole and cover it up. One seedling was placed in a hydroponic watering system and the other was placed in soil. Both of them were placed outside to receive the same amount of sunlight. The one in soil will receive about 3 squirts of water throughout a period of time. Both of them will be observed weekly to see which one has grown taller and which one has more leaves. This is the second week that the plants have been growing. As you can see, both of them have grown significantly over time. Now we're going to use this measuring tape to figure out the height of each plant. The one in soil is about 2 inches, and the one in the hydroponical is about 2.5. My hypothesis is almost correct, as the one in the water is growing a little bit more than the one in the soil. This is the third and final week that the plants are being measured. As you can see, both of them have grown a lot more since last week, and they have sprouted a lot more leaves too. Now we're going to use a measuring tape to determine the height of each one. The one in the soil is about 3 inches, and the one in the hydroponic system is about 4 inches tall. Nope. In conclusion, you can tell that both plants have grown significantly over the period of 3 weeks. From my results though, you can tell that the one grown hydroponically grew a little bit taller than the one grown in soil, which means my hypothesis was proven correct, and that the one grown hydroponically would grow a little bit taller than the one grown in soil.